Hey guys, this is Kishan and today I'm gonna tell you about a topic which is most frequently asked by many of us who all are starting in filmmaking. This is the very first thing you should know, that how you can shoot a music video.
When you get artists with no budget at all and you have to give your best so that you can get more work by showing that video you made for free. In this video, I'll be giving you basics you should remember while you are shooting your first music video, and I'll be sharing some behind the scenes so that you can get a rough idea how I shoot a video and you can apply with your own creativity, or you can do it in your own way what you like.
Shooting music video, you have to remember two things: whether the music video is with storyline or it's not. So if it's not with the storyline, then you have to only shoot performance shots and b-roll of the artist. And if it's with the storyline, then you have to shoot storyline plus performance shots and b-rolls. Then let's see how we can shoot this. So the shooting part is very fun part where you can add your own creative element while shooting. You can use any type of equipment you want, like gimbals or Steadicam, or you can go handheld also. That's your choice. But you have to remember that you have to shoot all your performance shot at 24 FPS, because that gives a smooth cinematic look, and you have to shoot all your b-roll shot at 60 fps or 50 fps, what your camera supports, because you can slow down that shot in post to get that slow and smooth cinematic look. So now you know that you have to shoot everything in different frame rates. So now you have to decide what type of location or set you have to make for a shoot. So you can do it in one location, or you can go crazy and you can shoot in 10 different locations or add 10 more sets. And as if now we are talking about a low budget music video, so if you want nice looking videos, so you should have minimum 2 different locations or 2 different sets where you can shoot your music video. And after you are done shooting your videos in both the locations, you have to just sync the song in Premiere or whichever editing software you have, and you can edit it whatever way you like, and you can apply the effects what you want and what the artist required and what you have to do, adding your own way, your own taste to your video, so it will look different. That's it for this video. So if you have any suggestions or any difficulties, you can comment down below. And if you need any kind of help, you can directly message me on Instagram. I'm always active there and I'll be helping you out if you have any difficulties in filmmaking. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you never miss a content in future, and I'll see you in the next video.